Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing terrific. Before I start this video, I just wanna share something that if you do something in excessive, then it works opposite. If you do something in excessive, then it works opposite. Why I'm saying that, you will get the idea in this video. So let's move on to the topic. Actually, one of my friend Gaurav, who commented on my last video, rich versus poor during lockdown, and it seems like that he took it oppositely. That in this video I'm saying that you should not play games and you should not invest your time in the other activities. You should focus only for the money. But in that video, the message is that you should do all the activities, but with that activity you should add one more activity, that you should focus on how to earn the money, because this is the ultimately thing that will make your life as you want to live. So that's why you should focus on that too. And here I recommend that you should play games, because it helps you in many ways. Why I'm saying that you should play the games, you must have heard the news about that most of the people they died just because of this game, PUBG. A 16 years old student from Madhya Pradesh and 20 years old from Gwalior, and many other cases you must have heard. But still I am recommend that game, that you should play that games, but the condition is that you should not play in very excessive amount, because if you do it, then you will face some mental problems. But why I am recommending that you should play, because you will learn some skills. Like when you play that games, especially if I concern about PUBG, then you will learn some skills. Like you will be in more focused when you are playing games, and you do these tasks for you play game daily, then you will be in a focus mode daily. Then it builds your ability to focus on something, and it builds up your confidence. Like when you lose the game, then you will not say that I am not made for that game. You will play again and you will committed that I will win this game. So it makes your confidence, it builds up your confidence. And the third things, it makes your determined. It makes you determined. Like if you fail for a lot of time, then still you will be stuck with that game. So that makes that this makes you more determined, and it gives you it makes you more consistent. Like you play daily games daily, that game daily, whether you do all the tasks, you have all the tasks that you need to do, but still you you arrange the time and you manage the time to play that game, and you will become more consistent to play that game for anything. And you will lead some peoples, and you coordinate with the team, so coordination skills. So that all the things that you learn from the games. So that's why I recommend that you should play that games, but not in very excessive amount. You should if you should focus on other things that will help you in your life. This skills also helps you in your career when you are focusing on some other things, when you move your focus to some other things. But still I recommend that you should not play that game for very excessive amount, because you might face some problems. So that's why I recommend that you should play games, but not for more time. And hope this video clear all the things that I want to share in the last video, and you will take in a positive way. You will take it in a positive way. So that's all for today, guys. Okay, bye.